AttributeError str object has no attribute read. In Python, I'm getting an error. Given Python code, what does this error mean and what did I do to cause it?
The problem is that for JSON.load you should pass a file-like object with a read function defined. So either you use JSON.load response or JSON.loads response.read.
Okay, this is an old thread but I had the same issue. My problem was I used JSON.load instead of JSON.loads. This way, JSON has no problem with loading any kind of dictionary. Official documentation. JSON.load, deserialize FBA, read supporting text file or binary file containing a JSON document, to a Python object using this conversion table. JSON.loads, deserialize str, bytes or byte array instance containing a JSON document, to a Python object using this conversion table.
You need to open the file first. This doesn't work. But this works.
If you get a Python error like this, you probably poisoned your object accidentally by overriding your object with a string. How to reproduce this error in Python with a few lines of code. Run it, which prints. But change the name of the variable name, and it works fine. This error is caused when you try to run a method within a string. String has a few methods, but not the one you are invoking. So stop trying to invoke a method which string does not define and start looking for where you poisoned your object.